Builder.ai and HubSpot CMS, two giants in website creation, but which one lets you build your digital dreams better? On one side, you've got Builder.ai, claiming the power of custom builds with minimal code. On the other, HubSpot CMS, promising seamless marketing integration and content management. We'll test them for ease of use, flexibility, features, scalability, and pricing, plus the little things that set them apart. Forget the fancy language. We're cutting through the marketing and diving into what really matters. We're giving out points in each category, so you'll see a clear winner by the end. And believe me, the final result might surprise you. Let's get into it. Alright, before we jump in, let's take a quick look at what we're comparing. We've got pricing, ease of use, customization, integrations, analytics, and SEO, and support and community. Basically, everything you need to know before making your pick. So, let's break it down, one category at a time. First up, pricing. Builder.ai does this whole transparent pay-as-you-go thing, which honestly is pretty refreshing in this space. But if you need a super custom, complex app, watch out because that bill can snowball fast. Now HubSpot CMS, you get a free tier. Yep, free. The plans scale up nice and simple, which is perfect for folks growing their sites. Of course, if you want those extra bells and whistles and your site gets big, the higher tiers start to bite back a little on the budget. Still, for most people, HubSpot CMS clearly sweeps this round on. Next, ease of use. Builder.ai's no-code interface is pretty slick, but honestly, once you try building something with custom workflows, there's a learning curve. I mean, it's doable, but expect to poke around a bit at first. HubSpot CMS though? Oh man, it's so beginner-friendly. You just drag, drop, and go. Even if you're not super techy, you'll be surprised how fast you can publish something decent. Sure, the trade-off is you don't get as much flexibility for really advanced projects, but honestly, for most folks, that's more than enough. HubSpot CMS takes the win here. Now let's talk customization. Builder.ai really shines in this category. You can build insanely tailored apps, workflows, even logic chains, you name it. It's honestly a playground for people with big, unique ideas. The catch? You gotta know what you want and plan ahead if you want to pull off something fancy. Meanwhile, HubSpot CMS comes through with custom themes, modules, and some personalization magic. But if you're a power user craving real programming level tweaks, you might feel fenced in. So yeah, Builder.ai absolutely owns this round. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know HubSpot CMS actually started out as part of their all-in-one marketing toolkit back in 2013? Wild how it evolved into what it is today? Up next, integrations. Builder.ai brings decent support here, APIs for popular services, plus third-party plugins, good options, but sometimes setting them up can get a bit fiddly. On the flip side, HubSpot CMS is all about playing nicely with its own CRM and marketing tools. Super easy if you're sticking in their ecosystem. Their app marketplace is nice for extras, but if you're looking for wild diversity, you might notice they lean toward their own partners. This one's actually too close to call. Honestly, it really depends what you're integrating with. We'll call it a tie. For analytics and SEO, Builder.ai brings the basics. You can hook in analytics integrations and get by just fine. But it's not really built around marketing or SEO out of the box. Now, HubSpot CMS, this is their playground. You've got built-in SEO tools, advanced analytics dashboards, the full marketing suite. Seriously, if you want to get serious about visibility and traffic, this makes a massive difference. There's a catch. Some of the deep dive features are paywalled in higher plans. Still, even on the free and basic tiers, you're getting a ton. HubSpot CMS, easy win in basic tiers, you're getting a ton. HubSpot CMS, easy win here. Finally, support and community. Builder.ai does offer personalized onboarding and solid developer resources, which is really nice if you want more hands-on help. But the community's a little on the smaller side, so there aren't as many folks to bounce ideas off. Now, HubSpot CMS, huge support system. Think extensive help center, massive user community, and if you're on a paid tier, 24/7 support. The stickler is you'll have to pay up for priority support, but honestly, most people won't even need that. Again, HubSpot CMS just edges it out. Okay, let's step back and look at the big picture. When you stack these platforms side by side on our radar chart, you'll see HubSpot CMS dominating most categories, especially if you want easy website setup, strong analytics, and big support. Builder.ai, meanwhile, scores high when you need next-level customization or something truly unique. So, my take? If you're dreaming up a wild custom application and you don't want to wrestle with code, Builder.ai is your go-to. But if you just want to get a business website out there, pump out content, and really lean into marketing, HubSpot CMS is almost a no-brainer. Bottom line, it's all about what you actually need to build. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit follow for more real-world SaaS comparisons. You don't want to miss what's coming up next.